Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into the channel today. So we're going to be changing the wiper blades, the front and the rear wiper blades on our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, the Jeep GL. So we're going to be putting in these Michelin EnduranceXT silicone beam. So we do like these because they are that single beam style. We're going to open this up right here. Has a little adapter that we don't need. So we like the single beam approach. They seem to hug the windshield a lot better than the traditional blades where they have just the two little arms on there. So we're gonna be putting these on the driver and passenger side. Nice thing with the Jeep, both sides are the same length, and then we have the one for the rear. So with the rear, we're going with the Bosch. It's a R1217. So your rear wiper blade's a 12-inch. Your front two blades are a 16-inch. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna install the front one first. So on this particular one, you have these little protectors. Pull it down, slide them off. Again, pull them down, slide it off. We got these from Walmart. They were pretty inexpensive, which we liked. I think they were maybe 23 bucks a blade or so. We'll put the link in the description below. A lot more cost effective. We're looking at some of the Trico, the Bosch, the Rain-X Endurance, heavy duty, things like that. A lot of these were 40 bucks a blade, right? So you're 60 bucks into it. This was a lot more affordable, and we had them delivered the same day. So here, again, all you have to do is pull your wiper blade up. What we like to do is put a microfiber towel right here just in case it springs back. So on the particular arms we have to pull this little cover off. So all I did was push in right here, slide it off, and then there's a hook that slides right in on your wiper blade. We're gonna go ahead and slide this, a little bit of force, you can see how easy it came right out. We're gonna take the new wiper blade. There's a hole right here. There's a hook right there. We're gonna slide it right in and you should hear it click. Just like that, we're on. So now we're gonna take this one, slide it right to it. Again, you always wanna make sure it's in there nice and tight, not moving anywhere. So now let's go to the other one. Put our microfiber right here. Again, we're gonna push on this little tab, and then we're gonna push the blade down, just like that. Now we're gonna grab the new blade and put it on. These are the silicone blades, which are supposed to last a lot longer. So on this particular one, this curved edge is gonna go out. So we're just gonna slide this right in. It only goes on one way. We're doing the first one, we had a little bit backwards. So we're lined up, we're just gonna pull it, and you hear it click, just like that. Just that quick and easy. We changed both the blades. And you can see they have this little air dam right here. So when you're driving into the wind is pushing the wiper against the windshield. That's the nice thing that we liked about this style blade. Plus it has a cover right here, so you're gonna help with ice and snow build up on the silicone blade itself. So now we're gonna go to the back of the vehicle. Always make sure they're the same size. So just simply pull it. You're gonna tilt your blade. You're gonna hear it click, and it just pulls right off, just like that. And you can see they look identical. And there's a hole right here. I mean, a notch right there and a notch right there. The blade, you have your two little areas. So you just gotta get the first one lined up, and it's gonna slide right in. So this part right here is gonna slide in, and then you're gonna see the two little notches are gonna slide in as well. So get the first notch in, slide it towards yourself, and make sure it's clicked in there nice and good. It's not going anywhere. Boom, just like that. So now we got a new rear wiper blade. Again, pulls it out if you need to, pull it right off. Sometimes the rear one will throw people off. So, again, we'll leave the descriptions of the Bosch blades and the Michelin blades in the description below. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. You can see it's a pretty simple task. You don't have to spend a fortune on wiper blades and pay a dealership to install them. There's many type of wiper blades, you know, so just do whichever ones you feel will work for you. Again, installation is super easy. Some of the auto parts stores will install them for you as well. Again, We got the Bosch one from O'Reilly. We got the front two, the Michelins from Walmart, and had them delivered. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Leave us a like and subscribe and put your comments below.